Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 1 Outlook. First off, happy Memorial Day, everybody. Today we honor those who sacrificed themselves to defend our country. To all our American heroes who defended our country. They sacrificed themselves to defend our country. So, we honor those heroes who were lost in defending our country. So, anyway, we have an enhanced risk for severe weather today that encompasses Central Texas. Cities in today's enhanced include Abilene, Texas, Killeen, Texas, San Angelo, Texas, Copper Cove, Texas, and Kerrville, Texas. And we have a slight risk today that surrounds the enhanced in Texas, as well as northwestern Louisiana, with the slight going into far south central Arkansas. So, cities in today's slight include San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Shreveport, Louisiana, Waco, Texas, and Tyler, Texas. And we have a marginal today that encompasses central Colorado, eastern New Mexico, parts of Oklahoma, most of Texas, southern half of Arkansas, most of Louisiana, all of Mississippi, all of Alabama, the far northwestern part of the Florida Panhandle, far northeastern Florida, most of Georgia, and much of South Carolina. Cities in today's marginal include Houston, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and New Orleans, Louisiana. Going to the tornado threat for today, we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses central and east central Texas, the northern half of Louisiana, southeastern Arkansas, much of Mississippi, and west central Alabama. Cities in today's 2% tornado risk area today include Austin, Texas, Shreveport, Louisiana, Jackson, Mississippi, Waco, Texas, and Abilene, Texas. Going to the wind threat for today, we have a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses parts of central Texas. Cities in the 30% wind risk area today include Killeen, Texas, Copper Cove, Texas, Kerrville, Texas, Brownwood, Texas, and Gatesville, Texas. We have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses parts of Texas, northwestern Louisiana, and far south central Arkansas. Cities in the 15% wind risk area today include San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Shreveport, Louisiana, Waco, Texas, and Abilene, Texas. And finally, we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today, encompassing central Colorado, eastern New Mexico, parts of Oklahoma, much of Texas, southern half of Arkansas, most of Louisiana, all of Mississippi, all of Alabama, the far northwestern part of the Florida Panhandle, the far northeastern part of Florida, much of Georgia, and much of South Carolina. Cities in the 5% wind risk area today include Houston, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and New Orleans, Louisiana. Going to today's hail threat, there is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, encompassing parts of central Texas. Cities in the 30% hail risk area. Oh, excuse me. Sorry guys. I let ice light belch. Sorry. My bad. Sorry about that, guys. I still let a little belch. Sorry if you heard that. Anyway, I'm really sorry. Cities in the 30% 30% hail risk area today include Abilene, Texas, Killeen, Texas, San Angelo, Texas, Copper Cove, Texas, and Kerrville, Texas. Why'd you do that? There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today. That encompasses much of central Texas, so pretty much surrounding the 30% area for hail. Cities in the 15% hail risk area today include San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Waco, Texas, Tyler, Texas, and Round Rock, Texas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area encompasses the entirety of the 30% hail risk area, as well as parts of the 15% area for hail. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today in the black dashed area. Cities in the black dashed area include Austin, Texas, Abilene, Texas, Killeen, Texas, Round Rock, Texas, and San Angelo, Texas. And again, the black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. And finally, we have a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses central Colorado, eastern New Mexico, much of Texas, much of Oklahoma, southern half of Arkansas, most of Louisiana, most of Mississippi, all of Alabama, most of Georgia, far northeastern Florida, and much of South Carolina. Cities in the 5% hail risk area today includes Houston, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and Atlanta, Georgia. So, in summary, severe thunderstorms are likely today from parts of the southern plains eastward into the lower Mississippi Valley. Very large hail should occur with initial development in parts of west central Texas, with severe damaging winds becoming a greater concern this afternoon and evening. So, that's the day one outlook for today. So, again, happy Memorial Day today. So, for those who are, stay safe in the affected areas today and tonight. And I know a lot of you are going to be having plans for Memorial Day today, which includes going swimming, going to barbecue, picnic, whatever you're doing outdoors. You might want to take a rain check on that in the affected areas today. Try to do something indoors maybe. Or just otherwise keep an eye to the sky. If you still want to be outdoors today, just keep an eye to the sky today. Have a way be notified for severe weather outdoors, whether it be your phone or weather radio. So, yeah. And have a way of getting inside today for severe weather if you're doing stuff outdoors in the affected areas. So, okay, again, some of you are doing, picnicking, barbecuing, swimming. Again, just have a plan in place to get indoors should severe weather occur, which it likely will. And before you go to bed tonight, be sure to have something to wake you, whether it be your TV, radio, or phone, for warnings for severe weather. And if possible, sleep in your safe spot tonight to avoid moving during the night. So, stay safe today, even in the marginal, but especially in the slight and the enhanced. And my Day 2 outlook will come out later today. Take care.